Ladies and gentlemen, good morning. It's time for your daily dose with Dove. Today is Veterans Day, Thursday, November 11th, 2021. Today's challenge is to go find a vet, somebody who has served, and go thank them for their service. We have a nonprofit baseball program. My son plays and I coach with some great friends, and we have a lot of military families in our program. And I just wanted to give a shout out to Joel, former Marine, Jeff, Air Force, Ruben, Air Force, Soda Pop, who's currently on active duty on the border in Texas. Lots of love, brother. Also, some other good friends of mine, recently retired Major Harold from the U.S. Army, Harold Rocks, U.S. Army, Rick Pond, U.S. Coast Guard, my Uncle Jeff, U.S. Army, and so many others. List too long to name. I know some of you guys get on me for these videos being too long, but thank you to all of our service members. Wearing my baseball red, white, and blue today in honor. Got the flag flying at the house. Thank you, service members. I wouldn't be here today without you guys. You guys got grande cojones. Thank you for serving our country. So in honor of our heroes, I want to discuss, in my opinion, the best loan program out there. Okay, it's the best program. It's called the VA, the Veteran Affairs Loan Program, which requires 0% down. Okay, so what is the VA loan? VA loans are a type of military loan that mortgage lenders issue to qualified veterans, active service members, and their spouses. They're backed by the government through the Department of Veteran Affairs, aka the VA. All right, the VA offers specific guarantees to private lenders on loans to qualified veterans, active service members, and surviving spouses. And because of these guarantees, lenders will issue loans to candidates that could be considered risky. So, how do VA loans work? So, the VA, it does not issue the actual loan itself, but they do determine who qualifies for one and which lenders issue them. And there are several types of VA loans, and they pose less of a risk to lenders because they're backed by a government agency. Okay? VA loans are considered non-conventional loans because of their easy credit requirements. They offer many advantages over conventional loans, including lower interest rates, more lenient borrowing requirements, and no down payment due at closing. If you have served, you will need a certificate of eligibility document, or if you're a spouse, and provide that to your mortgage lender that you're eligible for a VA loan. To get the certificate of eligibility, or COE, you need to demonstrate proof of service. The proof you need to submit varies based on whether you're an active duty military member, a veteran, a surviving spouse, etc. Veterans who need to submit DD Form 214, you can get that online by using the VETS Rex filing system. And active duty, if you're currently serving, you need a statement of service signed by your personal officer or an adjunct or unit commander if you're an active duty service member. Okay? If you're a National Guard or Reserve member, you also need a statement of service. If you're a discharged member of the National Guard, you will need NGB Form 22. Surviving spouses who do not get dependency benefits can get a COE if you have your spouse's DD Form 214, your marriage license, and your spouse's death certificate. You will also need to print and complete VA Form 21P-534-ARE, available on the VA benefits website. Surviving spouses who do receive dependency benefits need to print and complete VA Form 26-1817, and you can download that form as well for free on the VA benefits website. Other requirements, there are other requirements that you have to have. The property must be your primary residence within 60 days of purchase, which is the same as FHA loans, another program backed by a government agency. So for your credit score, the VA doesn't require a specific minimum credit score for VA loans, so the credit requirement varies by lender, but typically high 500s to qualify. The lender's also going to evaluate your debt to income ratio, and what this is it represents how much of your monthly income goes towards paying back debt. The VA does not set limits on this, but some lenders might. Recently, the government passed a bill and was signed into law by President Trump that allows the VA to not put a cap on how much you can borrow, but there is a cap on VA because a lot of the lenders apply one. Lenders cap this amount, and most of the VA loan for most of the country is $548,250. That's the max. What does that type of money purchase in your market? Let me know. Make sure you guys like and subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Love chatting with you guys. Okay. So most people who do get a VA, they have to pay a funding fee, which covers the cost to taxpayers. The funding fee ranges as of January 1st, 2021, 2.3% to 3.3%. However, surviving spouses and veterans who receive disability or are Purple Heart recipients serving in active duty and in the active duty capacity are exempted from funding fees. Some of the benefits are loan rates that are typically lower, 100% loan to equity value, meaning 0% down payment, and they'll finance the entire purchase so long as it appraises. You have no private mortgage insurance, PMI, which we have discussed previously, and the borrowing requirements are much more lenient. You may also have a property tax exemption, but you will need to check with your local VA office. So I want to put these numbers in perspective for you. I'm going to try to use the whiteboard again, all right, so we can put these numbers out here for you. So to put these in perspective, we're going to utilize the max VA loan amount in the state of Nevada. Okay, so we're in Nevada, and at the max of $548,250, and like we said, loan rates are pretty good. They are pretty good, and you can get a pretty decent deal. Let me move over so you guys can see this, okay? We're seeing rates in the twos, so let's say 2.5% interest rate. So we're going to go 2.5% interest rate with a funding fee. Your cost will be $6,000. Sorry, this is without a funding fee. Your cost will be $6,534. This is your fixed costs, prepaid and fixed costs, prepaying your insurance, taxes, etc. That's what you're going to bring to close, and you put 0% down. So you're purchasing over $500,000 house with $6,534. That's a really good deal, especially not having no private mortgage insurance. That's really great. Saves you thousands of dollars. Okay. So now when we break down your monthly payment, okay, your monthly payment, we're going to break it down into your P&I, which if you remember is your principal and interest. We have an estimated cost of $2,216.08. This is P&I. Okay, we got principal and interest. We also have your insurance that you're going to have to pay. So we got $141 estimated / month for insurance, and you also have your taxes, which is an estimate on a newer home in a newer area, $415 per month for a total of $2,773 per month. Now, if you are disabled and you don't have to pay property taxes, so no tax, your payment gets reduced down to $2,358. Pretty good? Pretty good. Great program. Veterans, if you have not taken advantage of this, please do. I love working with veterans. We've worked with dozens of them, helping them purchase their home. We have some great friends. Take advantage of this program, okay? If you have any questions or if you need a lender, we can help point you in the right direction. So that's the VA loan. Happy Veterans Day. Let me know how much how much does $550 buy in your market? What kind of home can you purchase there? Now, keep in mind that's the national limit, but in higher priced areas like San Francisco, New York City, that limit is actually higher because housing costs are higher. So with that being said, hope everyone has a great day. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with a service member. Thank you again, veterans and service members, for serving our great country. I wore this shirt for you guys. My challenge today is to go out and thank a service member for their service. You guys have a great day. Look at this. Under 10 minutes, some of you will be really happy for that. Okay, guys, have a great day. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.